Michael Myers let you out. Or did you escape? Olympus is falling.
It's just opened the gates of hell.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Let's go.
This is the real purge.
This purge is forever!
We're gonna have a good time tonight.
Stop. You came here to kill me, so do it.